Guys, previously generating AI images and keeping the characters consistent was a really huge challenge until we had Leonardo AI. And you see, I've been generating these characters based off of one of my image that you see over here. I can keep the strength high, low for the relevance. For the next one that I'm going to show you, I'll keep it high. But the thing is that these are the ones that I've been using. Let me just show you the tremendous amount of detail these AI generated images have. So these are really wonderful. I also made this one, so it also generated it with a lot of detail. You see in the dressing as well. I selected the fashion preset for this one. So here it made a lady for the AI generated image, but here this one was a guy. So this also has a lot of detail. I actually gave it a very simple prompt, walking on a road in Beijing, and this is what it generated for me. And what I used was Leonardo Lightning XL and the fashion preset. And on this one I use this feature that they have over here. It will enhance your prompts, so you can improve your prompts with AI. I gave it walking on a road in Paris and it generated these ones for me. I'll show you another one as well by these settings, but in the meanwhile check out these ones that I already made, walking on a road in Beijing. And you see this image, it was pretty interesting with the background and even with the style that it had. And then these characters also seem pretty close to my facial features, and this was walking on a road in China. And I'll show you in the latest one that I use the following settings. You can feel free to copy these. So it's cinematic Kino as the preset. I selected the style. By default um, it's something else, but you have to go down and select the portrait one. I use the portrait one. And contrast, I just change it to high, generation mode fast, or quality. With the faster ones you can get the quick generations. With the quality one you will get a lot more detail. And you see the ones that I showed you earlier, they had lot faster they were generated fast. And the latest ones that I showed you here, these are the quality ones. Now the image dimension was 1 to 1 and image number of image generations 4. Okay, and then I selected the Leonardo Kino XL, which is selected by default if you use the cinematic Kino. I kept it on there. Photoreal, yeah, I wanted that one. Negative prompt, if you don't want anything you can type it here. And you can also use the fixed seed if you want inspiration from a certain AI art style. So okay, and if you let's say go quite off and you want to come back to the original setting, you can just click on reset to default. Now what I'll do here is I'll come over here. So I'll show you from the start how to do it. So these are the settings which I have. I'll remove this one, and what I'm gonna do here is I'll select on this icon and then I'll go ahead and click on character reference. Okay, and then I'm gonna select the image that I want it to take the character from. So I'll select this one and then I'll load it on here, and over here I'll write in the prompt like walking in San Francisco. Okay, so we have written this one, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna improve the prompt by clicking on here, and then after clicking here I'll click on improve prompt. So it is gonna improve the prompt for me. Okay, so walking down the vibrant streets of San Francisco, the city pulses with life and color amongst the bustling crowd and iconic architecture. And now I'll click on generate. It's gonna use some 30 tokens for this one, but the thing is that it's quite fast even with these. So if you use the fast one, it will give you in roughly like 10-12 seconds, but even with this one it will take a maximum of like 20 seconds for the image generation. So I'll be back with the actually generated image. So guys, it's almost going to be generated in a bit, I believe. And in the meanwhile, let me know down in the comments what is your favorite AI art generator. And I also wanted to show you that on my channel, the audience that I have is 99% of the audience on my channel has not even subscribed to the channel. So it would be a great help to me if you like this content. You might consider subscribing, and then geographies where the people watch the video from. 10, almost 11% are from India. Let me know down in the comments if you are from India. 2.5 are from United States. Indian people are quite passionate about AI, even the people in US. So Saudi Arabia, it's showing me because I live here. And let me know down in the comments where you are from. And let us go back to Leonardo AI, and this is what it generated for me. Yo guys, look at this is so surreal. This, the style it's taking, and the vibe it has given to sort of like convey the vibe of San Francisco. Oh goodness, this is artistically impressive. And look at this one. Oh goodness, this is fun, guys. You should definitely check out Leonardo AI. This one I believe is the best, and I'm gonna put this one in the thumbnail as well. This one doesn't seem too interesting, but the previous ones were really good. So that's how you generate consistent characters in Leonardo AI, and with very less effort. Very less effort, guys. It doesn't take a lot. It doesn't take a lot. I didn't write all of this. Leonardo AI did the heavy lifting for me. I just had to select the quality generation mode, and the styles you can select portrait or anything else. You also have here film, fashion, food, bouquet, anything that you like you can select over here. And guys, if you found this type of content interesting, and then you might actually be seeing two videos on your screen that might be relevant to your liking. You should definitely check those out as well. And before you go, leave me a thoughtful comment down below. I would love to know your reviews, and what in the meanwhile it generated something else for me as well. And let me know down in the comments if you want to see more of Leonardo AI, and what generally makes you interested in AI. Let me know that all down in the comments. I'll see you in another video.